Hello, my name is Martha Graham. I live with my husband and two beautiful daughters in Southeast Tennessee. I've been a licensed massage therapist since 2003 and physical therapy assistant since 2012. I have a strong background using both licenses in outpatient orthopedic and pelvic floor physical therapy. I own my own practice, which focuses on post-surgical management, scar management, and integrating kinesiology with body work for more sustainable outcomes such as decreased pain and increased function. I've been teaching with ACE since 2018, which has allowed me to pursue my passion for educating and producing new educational content for therapists. I'm working to bring new research to Medicupping and massage cupping to further it as an evidence-based practice. I enjoy teaching with a comprehensive style integrating visual, auditory, and tactile learning. I aim to facilitate full understanding in a friendly, fun, and respectful environment. I look forward to working with you.